Hey guys, how's it going? So very quickly today, what I want to do is I just want to quickly build this dashboard, and it's basically a law firm dashboard which should enable you to automate the acquisition of clients into your law firm. So I'm actually going to be replicating this dashboard that you see right here, and just trying to replicate the design in my own way within 5 minutes. So let's get into it. So I've already begun I've put in the data right here for the option sets for the navigations, right? And I have already created a page for law dashboard. So what I'm doing now is I'm creating a floating group element, which would serve as the dashboard menu. So here I already have the image, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use text, a repeating group of text to just put this underneath there. So first of all, let me give this a cap spacing of 20 per row so that that repeating group can fall nicely underneath there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this here. And then I'm going to make this repeating group column, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to make that minimum width. And the minimum height for now, I'm just going to leave it as 300 and fit height to group. Sorry, oops. And then minimum amount of rows, no minimum amount of rows. I'm going to make the minimum height to be 50 because this looks like 50 actually in my eyes. And columns is one, it's fine. I'm going to remove the separator, but I'm going to leave it for now first. And okay, that's about it. So then I'm going to take a text element and I'm going to paste it inside. First, let me change this from to dashboard nav. That's the option, and then all dashboard nav. So this could now be current sales. Got it. Current sales dashboards navs display, right? And next, we are going to style this up a bit very quickly. I am going to make this a put this as none. Opens is fine. Make this a 14. It's okay. And I'm going to center vertically. Center this text vertically so that it just stands in the text is apportioned correctly there. Then make this fixed. Don't make it fixed width. Remove the minimum width. Remove the minimum height as well. And yeah, that's okay. It should be in the center, which I believe it is. And let's go here. Container alignment, center align, horizontal alignment is fine, top there. Okay, all right. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to remove the separator here. I will just remove the separator, make this now. Right, so and then I'm going to remove the minimum width here for the height. Just remove it so that that fits nicely there. All right, so there we have it. We have this repeating group, and then we have this image which represents our logo. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to upload a logo very quickly. Okay, so I have added a logo. It's under brandings. I just did a bit of coding there, and what I want to do is I just want to put like a nice bar because now it's just transparent, it's looking transparent. So I'm just going to put a bar by the right. So I would go into my borders, and I'm going to go with no. I'm going to independently select my border. Everything is non. As we get to the right, which will make it solid, and we'll put this as EB, and yeah, solid right, border solid right. So so that should reflect here. Though it's quite faint, I can't see it. For some reason, I don't know why. I think we must have worked on the wrong one. Which border did we work on? Can't seem to find it. define each border, right? Solid EB, EB, EB. Okay, so there we have it. So we have this nice looking dashboard. So I will go back to my law here, and I'm going to look for um, reusable elements. Just click on the dashboard and just paste it there so that when I preview, I have my dashboard here and I have my repeating group here. So it still needs to do a bit of styling to make it look better, right? And look a bit more bold like this. So maybe remove the padding and we give it a bit of design. Just quickly work on that. So go back here, go back to the repeating group, dash reusable elements, excuse me. So here I'm going to remove the padding. It's not working for me. The padding 0, 0, 0. So what then I'm going to do is I am going to give this text a padding to the left and then to the right. And then I think I would just want there to be a bit of, solid under this logo. Just the border, independently defined borders, put it at the bottom, solid, make this EB, EB, EB. Yeah, I think that should look better now. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's looking much better. I'm just going to increase this to instead of 16 to 9, let's make it 2 to 1. Still looking. Hmm. Then maybe make this 40 and then make this bolder 16. That should do it. Okay, so I want to, so that's basically like the dashboard on the left. Then we still need to design this right. And sorry about that, we still need to design that right. But what I want to do is I just want this to reflect whatever I click here. So I'm just going to do a bit of coding to go back to the dashboard here. Sorry, where are you? Okay, no, let's go back here. Raw dashboard.